Charles is 28 years old. He is a farmer. One day Charles lifts a big pig and puts it on a truck. Then he starts to hiccup. He hiccups, and hiccups, and hiccups. He can't stop. "Drink a glass of water," his wife says. Charles drinks a glass of water. The hiccups don't stop. "Eat some sugar," his mother says. Charles eats some sugar. The hiccups don't stop. "Eat some lemon," his father says. Charles eats some lemon. The hiccups don't stop. "Close your mouth and hold your nose," his sister says. Charles closes his mouth and holds his nose. The hiccups don't stop.